Hi, in this video I will show you how to get very neat edges when doing single crochets. In a previous video where I showed how to do single crochets, we did the turning chains on the sides. And well, this is actually the effect on the sides that it has. And you see it pokes out a little bit. And well, it's not bad, but you know, this looks much better. And there is a little simple trick that I would like to show you. And well, I have made a foundation chain here, and this is 13 stitches. And there is something that I've never seen it before actually, so I wanted to mention it to you. I have done 13 single crochet 13 chains. So if you want to work back now and use that neat sides, and you only want to work in these top loops, you do need that turning chain here. So you work into this second loop of your foundation chain and then do your single crochet here. Now suppose you want to work into these back bumps. Then usually you also skip the first bump and work into that second bump. You can do that. But actually, when doing this method with the straight sides, you don't have to do that. I now have 12. I've frogged one chain, and now you can actually, and let's see it here, you can actually work into that first bump right away. So let's do this, and you see this actually works. You cannot do this with when you want to work through these top loops here. So this is something that I wanted to mention to you. And well, I will do an entire row, and then I will come back to you when I've done that. I have now finished my first row, and then I will flip over my piece. And instead of doing a turning chain, I just simply pull up that loop here on my hook a little bit, just slightly, because it doesn't need that much. And if you make it too large, you will still have a bump of the yarn. And what you do next is work into that stitch here right away. So this is the trick. So here, this is 2, and well, if you are new to this, put a marker in that stitch here. And then I will quickly finish this row. So this is number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. Then again, flip the work over, pull up that loop just a little bit, and start working into that first stitch of the previous row. And you will see right away that the edges are much neater. And again, let's do this comparison. Here you see these turning chains, and here you don't. It looks so much better. And well, that was something that I also wanted to show you.